Hello, my name is Rig Short. I'm an artist and photographer living here in Florida, and I'm featuring one of my original oil paintings today. The reason I'm showing this was I had an art collector once tell me that she wanted to have the ability to run her fingers across a painting and actually feel the paint and feel the texture. And so to achieve that effect, what I did, I created this using two of my favorite tools of choice, the fan brush and a palette knife. And with the fan brush, I can add in more detail and really blot on that paint to show a lot of the texture in the trees and the foliage. But the other tool I used was the palette knife, where I can load this up with paint like I would a trowel with stucco and really load that paint up and push that layer of paint on, and do the same thing with the light effects, where I can add as much paint as I want to and really add layer upon layer of paint to get that textured effect. And hopefully you can see it here in the light. It's kind of poor light today. But if you have any questions, just send me a direct message, and please send me a like and subscribe button, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.